Looking for an easy way to make some extra cash or snag gift cards in your free time? In this video, we're spilling the beans on how you can dive into daily surveys and start raking in money fast. Picture earning rewards while chatting about stuff you care about. Don't let this chance slip by. Check out the video now and see how a few minutes of your day can turn into sweet earnings. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Hey there, survey superstar! Ever wanted to make some extra cash while chilling on your couch? With Appinio, it's as easy as answering a few quick polls. Appinio is a super fun survey app that turns your opinions into real rewards. It's as easy as answering a few quick polls on topics you care about. Whether it's about your favorite snacks or the latest trends, every survey is a chance to earn coins that you can trade for PayPal cash or Amazon gift cards. Plus, invite your friends and watch your earnings soar. Here's why you're going to absolutely love it. Fun and easy. It's super simple to share your thoughts on everyday topics. You can breeze through questions and express yourself without any hassle, making it a delightful experience every time you log in. Earn real rewards. As you share your insights, you'll collect coins that can be swapped for actual PayPal cash or Amazon gift cards. Imagine turning your opinions into something tangible. Who wouldn't want that? Boost your earnings. Want to earn even more? Just invite your friends along for the ride. When they join in on the fun, those coins will start piling up even faster. It's like having a little team working together to increase your rewards. Say goodbye to those boring moments of downtime. Now you can transform that time into dollar signs. Who knew that sharing could not only be enjoyable, but also pay off so well? Get ready to turn your thoughts into cash. Don't wait. Download Appinio today and start earning rewards in your spare time. Your wallet will thank you. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.